Hey everybody, I thought I would show you my new doors, but I got my mop right here handy too, and I wanted you to see how pretty they are. But the floors are an absolute disaster area. So I'm using one-handed. I'm trying to use the mop, and it's not that easy to do one-handed and film at the same time. I'm going to go outside and show you the doors. Justin's done a really good job. It's got some painting to do around the edge, but we are in good shape. So I'm going to go back in here and do my mopping. Let's see what I can get done in a minute. You can already tell I did some. And the dog has already learned how to open the door. So hold on a second. There we go. All the floors are dirty, but I'm just going to spot clean. Sorry to make you dizzy. Change hands. Is it great? The mop is, but the floor is not going to be perfect because I just want to get the worst of it up. And I'm hung up in my cord. And the dog won't move. It's like mowing a yard. And then I'm going to just go outside. I don't think I can go across that because there's some putty there. So I'm going to have to get it up with the dustpan. I'll take it out the front door. Anyway, that's our mop. It's on sale for $15.98. I will talk to you later. Let Tulip say bye to you. There's Miss Tulip. And the floor's a little bit better. Is it perfect? No, but it's done. Love y'all.